A dream within a dream. You were not wrong who deemed that my days have been a dream. Take this kiss upon the brow, and in parting from you now, thus much let me avow. Yet if a hope has flown away, in a night or in a day, in a vision or in none, is therefore the less gone. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. I stand amid the roar of a surf-tormented shore, and I hold within my hand grains of the golden sand. How few, yet how they creep through my fingers to the deep, while I weep, while I weep. O God, can I not grasp them with a tighter clasp? O God, can I not save one from the perilous wave? Is all that we see or seem but a dream within a dream?